All right, welcome back to this video. In this video, we're going to change the color of the username, and we're going to increase the font size of the status. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And to change the color, first of all, actually, let me start off by changing the size of the comment. I always like using 20 dp. You can use whatever you want. I'll just head to the custom layout, which is in homepage custom layouts, and it's not homepage really, but this is a different app. It's live update that I'm looking for. And we'll go to the layout, and we're going to go to homepage custom layout, and it's this comment that we want to increase the size. So comment is that. I'm going to say text size 20 dp. Okay, so as you can see, it looks a little huge. And the username color, we're going to go to Android Action Bar Studio, so we get the color of the action bar. It's just for me, but you can use any color you like. But I just like working with my theme like that. So, excuse me, and I'll go. It was this color, and I will copy this color. What is it? This definitely not that. It's definitely that one. So we're going to copy this color and Control C, Command C, excuse me. And I'll head back to here, and I'll go to values, and I'll create an XML resource file for color. What I'll do is click New, Value Resource File, and just write color and OK, and a colored XML file is created. And in here, this is where I want to create a color. So what I'll say is color, and the name is, I'm going to say theme color, and then paste the color in there. And then now I use the theme color in my username layout right here. I'm going to say text color, and I'm going to say a color, theme color. And as you can see, it changes color to the theme color. So let's run that and see. So it's refreshing, excuse me. Oh, okay, so seems to be a problem. Let me just kind of oh, that's the problem. Fixed it. All right, so there we have. It's looking great. Now, in the next tutorial, we're going to look at how to listen to each click of a list view and take the user to an activity page where they can be able to see the post in detail.